Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Siri feature on your iPhone using iOS 14. This process will disable the Hey Siri function as well as using the side button and when locked. To do this, head to Settings. Next, scroll down and tap Siri and Search in the menu. This is now where all of the Siri features are located. The first option is to turn off Hey Siri. Mine is already off because in the process of making this video, Siri was constantly asking what was going on. Next, you can turn off the ability to use Siri by pressing and holding the side button. I actually leave this on and use this as my preferred way of using Siri. That way it's not always going off, and if I do need Siri, she's easily accessed this way. But slide the toggle to turn this feature off if you want it off. The third option is turning the ability to use Siri off while your phone is locked. And finally, you can turn off Siri suggestions in the next section, and under that you can individually set the Siri options for certain apps if you'd rather have it available for some but not all. And that's how you turn off the Siri feature on your iPhone using iOS 14. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.